Hello guys, it's FEC Railfan South Florida here. I'm at Southwest 18th Street in Boca Raton and I'm about to catch 222. But before that, I'm going to give you a huge All Aboard Florida construction update. To begin, 18th Street has been double tracked. Took them a while, but they finally installed the double track here, and it gets even better. They installed the rails. The rails have been installed both north and south, and for the final surprise, the new Darth Vaders are in, and they are ready to rule this railroad. So very shortly, FEC train 222 is going to be passing by, and should be decent length tonight. Alright, until 222, this is FEC Railfan South Florida, out. Hello guys, it's FEC Railfan South Florida here, and just about to round the corner is train number 222. And this will be the first time we get to see the new 18th Street LED crossing lights in action. And there it is. And the EOT at 7:28 p.m. with probably the fastest FEC 222 I have ever caught. This is FEC Railfan South Florida, out.